Hi everyone, I'm from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering of Ho Chi Minh City University of Technology and Education. Today PDFs are ubiquitous, which can be an administrative document, a learning material, a reference from a teacher, or downloaded by yourself from the internet. But, why is it important to know how to use software that handles PDF files more efficiently? I will show you why. And how. This is a model that I have drawn to simulate the relationship between digital competence, efficiency and productivity in the digital age. This is your current productivity and efficiency. What will in the future look like? It will have to be increased, obviously, but by what motivations? In my opinion, one of them is your digitization capacity. Let's get started. First, I'll outline the 3 general goals of this video. 1. List and explain the 5 common practical meanings when you know how to handle PDF files. 2. List and explain the 6-step overview sequence necessary to work with PDF files in the most effective way. 3. Self-improve digital transformation capacity as a motivation to improve your working and learning efficiency and productivity. I will use Foxit Reader to illustrate. You may be using a different PDF processing software. That's okay, they are almost similar. I will help you become a PDF hero in just under 30 minutes. Knowing how to effectively handle PDF documents will bring users added value such as 1. Make quick use of old digitized materials to create new working materials in the form of ebooks, interactive documents, materials for teaching, learning, teamwork in the form of digital transformation. Make a difference in working style, efficiency, and productivity in the digital transformation environment. 2. When you share them with others related, colleagues, learners, gradually you will create e-offices, classrooms. You will minimize the need to use documents in paper form, minimize the use, and invest in printing, copying and purchasing many other supporting equipment. You will together work towards forming e-businesses, e-schools, e-universities. 3. Together with you, people can work and self-study anytime, anywhere on any smart device from a personalized, individual point of view, with information and data preserved, for save time in searching and retrieving information. 5. Increase professionalism, improve efficiency and productivity both when working individually, both when working in teams offline and online. Next will be the overview sequence to work with the software effectively, including 1. Open the PDF file correctly into the necessary PDF processing software. 2. Change the working interface according to needs. 3. Adjust the Document Pane area to view and read the contents in the clearest way. 4. Create new content catalogs, bookmarks, to quickly interact with detailed content and save time. 5. Perform self-study a PDF document and share critical assessments, suggestions for correction of detailed contents, proposals for supplementation of information and data, etc. through commands of software. 6. Attach additional files such as text files, image files, video or audio files or call executable files, star.exe, open web browsers, to clarify your ideas. 7. A few special notes when self-studying or presenting PDF materials in teams. Now will be the general operations to start a session with the software. Step 1. Open the PDF file correctly into the specific PDF processing software. This is for use when you have multiple software installed on your PC that handles PDF files. Do the following. 1. After booting the PC, click on This PC or File Explorer. 2. Perform the necessary navigation to the folder containing the PDF file, then right-click on the PDF file name. A fly menu will appear. 3. Click Open with, then select the name of the PDF processing software which you will use to process the PDF file. Step 2. Change the working interface according to needs. There will be operations for you to change the working interface to best suit your needs. 1. Hide or show a command ribbon. For example, this is the command ribbon of the Home tab. You can hide it by clicking on the Collapse the Ribbon icon, or show it again by clicking the Home tab again, then clicking the Pin the Ribbon icon. 2. Control the hidden or visible of the remaining elements of the interface such as rule, navigation panel, status bar, by first clicking on the View tab, continuing to select View Setting, then selecting the element to be controlled, finally selecting Hide or Show depending on your needs. Step 3. Adjust the document pane area to view and read in the clearest way. You can choose to execute one of the following 5 commands or optional actions. 1. Hand command to scroll the document pane area with the mouse. Click on the Hand command, then click and hold the mouse in any position on the document pane. Finally, drag the mouse to scroll the document pane area to the area that needs to be seen on the screen. 2. Group command, that help you zoom in or out of the document pane, with the following 4 optional actions, done by clicking on the Zoom command on the Home's ribbon then selecting the required zoom in or out level, done by clicking on the Page Fit Options command on the Home's ribbon then selecting the required zoom in or out style, done by using the Zoom utility on the status bar in the lower right corner of the screen, as you are used to in other software, done by clicking on the full screen icon on the status bar in the lower right corner of the screen to expand the document pane to full screen. 3. The Rotate View command will rotate the document pane left or right by first clicking on the View tab, then selecting the Rotate View command and choosing whether to rotate left or right that you need. For Auto Scroll command, helps you scroll the document pane automatically by first selecting the View tab then selecting the Auto Scroll command. To exit this command, pressing the ESC key. 5. Assistant command helps you enlarge just one selected image on the document pane by first select the View tab, next select the Assistant command and click on Marquee. Next, draw a rectangle around the image to be enlarged. Foxit Reader will enlarge the image area and bring this area to the center of the screen. To continue enlarging another image, click Zoom Out on the status bar, and then continue to draw a rectangle around the next image to be enlarged. To exit, click on the Hand command. Step 4. Create new content categories, bookmarks, to quickly interact with detailed content and save time. See details in the video. Create interactive book in ebook format with the link in description.